Happy International Pets Day to all our viewers. And we at Ziggly are thrilled to launch a Happy Pet Index. We also have with us Dr. Deepak, who's the head veterinarian for Ziggly. So people, what is Happy Health Index or Happy Pet Index? Let me show you. This is a leash. Well, this is a signature collection of Ziggly. This is very cute and you must have a look at it whenever you get some time. So let me show the Happy Pet Index to you. Well, this too is not Happy Pet Index, but it is a very cute mug of Ziggly. Here we have the Happy Pet Index, and I would request Dr. Deepak to tell us more about this.
Yeah, so Happy Pet Index is a very comprehensive and easy to understand measurement of pets' overall well-being in terms of numeric values. So it is based out of 5 important parameters, which includes vaccination and deworming, which includes body condition score, annual wellness examination, dental score, as well as skin score. So it is rated from 0 to 18, and 18 means you are taking very good care of your pets, which ensures a happy and a healthy pet. So this is all about Happy Pet Index, and if someone has any more questions, please do ask us and we'll try to answer them all for you.
So do we have questions?
Yes. So doctor, can you tell me something like what are the key indicators of a pet's overall health and how can we as pet parents monitor them at home?
Absolutely. See, the most important parameters are overall feeding habits of the pet, whether the pet is having food in time, how are the bowel movements of a pet, how are the activity levels of the pet. So if you see any changes in them, I think you should consult your veterinarian. For example, your pet stops eating or is eating less food of lately. So these are the few indicators that you should be keeping in mind and be vigilant about. And if you notice anything like that, please consult your veterinarians about it.
Doctor, since you mentioned about food and eating habits, I have a question that what are some common dietary mistakes that pet parents often make and how do we ensure that our pets always get a balanced diet?
See, one of the most important or very common mistake that we as a pet parents make is overfeeding our pets. We have this habit of giving our table scraps to the pets, wherein we keep on feeding what we eat to our pets, which eventually leads to gastric upsets, maybe in extreme conditions even the kidney and liver damages also. So I think this is something that we need to avoid, and there is one more myth out there that the home food is always good. Home food is good, but if it is given in a proper portion and tailored according to the nutritional requirement of the pet. For example, it needs to have a proper balance of protein, carbs and fibers. If we are just giving the fibers, that is also not good. So the balanced diet, I would say, is a balance which has been tailored in a proper way as per understanding the requirement of your pet. So yeah.
You are so right. I mean, I think I can relate to it that घर पे pet ही सबसे राजा बेटा होता है और हम उनको खिलाते ही रहते हैं. But apart from food, I think exercise is also very important for our pets. So according to you, how much exercise or mental stimulation is required for a pet on a daily basis?
See, it is very, very important for pets to be stimulated mentally as well as physically. Typically, dogs requires 30 minutes to 2 hours of exercise depending upon breed, size and age. Every pets do have their certain requirements. For example, a small breed might require only 30 minutes of exercise. On the other hand, a large breed of dogs, maybe a golden retriever, the requirements would be up to 2 hours. So this is all about physical stimulation which is required by a pet. When you talk about mental stimulation is again very, very important because it totally decides how your pet is going to behave. If the pet is not getting enough amount of mental stimulation, he might turn destructive, like he might keep on digging things and destroying things in the house. So you can use various tools. There are so many games available. You can just hide the treats and play with them. Let them look around for the treats so that they are mentally stimulated for that.
Doctor, can you explain us the importance of preventive care for pets and how does this newly launched Happy Pet Index help pet parents prevent any sort of severe illnesses in their pets before?
See, thank you for asking this question. Preventive health in pets is very, very important, especially when our patients do not speak for themselves. So at times it is possible that they might be undergoing some disease or they are having some condition, but obviously we won't be able to come to know unless the symptoms are very, very evident. So these preventive examinations give us this opportunity to diagnose things in time so that the treatment is also more effective and more effective and accurate. So comprehensive exam is very, very important, and when we talk about pet health index, it will give us an opportunity to go through all these conditions. The parameters are so well defined. So if we follow them and keep a track of that, we will be able to diagnose majority of the health problems in time, and we'll be able to control them before happening.
Right. So I think this would be my last question, Doctor. What's the relevance of launching Happy Pet Index on International Happy Pets Day?
See, as a pet parents, we all want that our pet should be healthy and should get best of the care. But we realize that because at times, because of lack of awareness, sometimes things get fairly overlooked, which leads to serious consequences sometimes. So we felt this need that we should create this awareness among pet parents, wherein pet parents themselves can take care of the pets and be more proactive about things. So that was the whole idea about it, and I am sure that this will help pet parents in a big way to keep their pets happy and healthy.
Can you just give a small glimpse into the pet passbook and how it looks?
So just I'll take you through this. This is the first page wherein pet profile would be there. You can put a beautiful photograph of your pet over here. And now we talk about pet health index, wherein all the parameters are described in detail. Okay, what are actually they means. Then we have got a measurement. So this is the most important page out here, wherein we keep on giving them marks every 6-month basis. So if the pet parents, the numeric values are from 0 to 18, like I mentioned earlier also. If your pet is at 18, that means you are taking very good care of your pet. But if you feel the score is getting down in any of the parameters, I think that is the time when you need to talk to your veterinarian so that whatever needful is required, that can be done.
And we also have a medical or surgical history, weight watch, deworming records, antitake, so basically the entire vaccination records. So this is in one book, your entire history of your pet is there, which is handy and which will help you. So thank you everyone.
Thank you
So much. Please visit our stores and we look forward to serving you. Thank you.